Hey guys, so check out what I got here. This is the blessing of the Lord. This is sterling. You guys see the mark? You guys see that? Sterling. So, and then there's this right here. You guys see that? This is 14 karat Italy. And then there's this. I'm not really sure what this is. Not really sure what this is. Maybe gold, maybe it's silver plated. It does have like a hole behind the diamonds. I need maybe I'll acid test it. But yeah, maybe gold. So this right here, guys, is the blessing of the Lord. $12.75. See, 6 something. It's actually like $2.55 or something, and this is like $3.95. So, guys, I did a video about how to get lots of money or something, and you do it when you're righteous and God blesses you. So this is the blessing of the Lord right here. God is blessing me. He is actively blessing me, and God just gave me sterling, silver, and gold. So I give God the praise and the glory. Thank you, God. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much. Bye.